Hey, what's up, Stellar Guitarists? It's Amber here with a really fun Eagle song that we're going to be learning today. It's called Take It Easy, super upbeat, really fun to play on the guitar. So make sure your guitar is in standard tuning. We don't need a capper for the lesson, and let's jump into the tutorial today. So this is a great song if you want to sit back, relax, jam a few chords, and play an awesome country banger. So we have a G major, we have D major, C major, we're also going to need an E minor chord and an A minor chord. So that is it for the chords of the song. Let's jump straight into looking at the verse. So the chords will be up on the screen, and we're going to be playing 4 down strums on each of the chords just to get into the swing of the song. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we get to the chords between brackets, the G and the D chord, the G is going to get 2 strums, and then the D is going to get the other 2 strums to add up to 4. So let's take it from the top with the G major. A 1, 2. Well, I was G down the road, trying to G my load. I've got G for 2 strums, D for 2 strums, and then C, 2, 3, 4. The G that wants to own me, the D that wants to stone me, and the C says she's a friend of the G, 2, 3, 4. So now that we have those chords under our fingers, let's go ahead and add in a strumming pattern. This song works perfectly well with our favorite down, down, up, down, up. It just has the right amount of energy and bounce that the song needs. So we're going to be going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So the G is going to get 2 rounds of that. Down, down, up, down, up. We repeat it again for the second G. Now when we get to the bracketed chords, the first chord is going to get the down, down, up. The second chord, down, down, up. And then back to our strumming pattern for the rest of that verse. The C, down, down, up, down, up. To the G, down, down, up, down, up, D chord. And the C chord to the G. So let's give that a try now with some singing, starting on the G. 1, 2. Well, I'm running down the road, trying to loosen my load. I've got 7 women on my mind. 4 that wanna own me, 2 that wanna stone me. 1 says she's a friend of mine. So that is how we play the verse of the song. Now when we hit the chorus, we have 2 variations of the chorus. So let's deal with chorus 1. So we're going to have E minor for 2 rounds of the strumming pattern. To our C chord and the G. Next we have A minor to our C chord. And then to our E minor chord for 2 rounds of the strumming pattern. So that's the first half of the chorus. Let's go ahead and play that again with some singing. 1, 2, take it, E minor again, take it to the C chord and to the G. Don't let the A minor of your C chord drive you E minor again. Really straightforward and not too tricky. So the next part of the chorus starts on a C chord. We're going to be going from a C chord to a G, back to C again, and to G. Okay, with our strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, G. Don't even C chord to the G. And our final line of chords, we have A minor to the C chord and take it easy. And our G chord gets played 4 times. Okay, so let's try that chorus together, starting from the beginning. That's going to mean we start on E minor. Here we go. 1, 2. Take it easy. Take it to the C chord and to the G. Don't let the A minor of the C chord. E minor again. Light C chord while you stroke G. Don't even C chord to under the G. Just find an A minor to make your C chord. Take it to the G and G again. And G again. And one more time. So that is how you play chorus number 1. Now, of course, we have a second variation and such a small change that takes place in the chorus. Honestly, it's just one chord that we are changing. So chorus number 2 is going to start on an E minor, and then instead of playing E minor twice, we're going to just change to the D chord after that. So it will be E minor for 1 round, to the D chord, and then be back to the normal chord sequence. So why don't we just go ahead and play that whole chorus together? It will be good practice. So we're starting on that E minor. 1, 2. Come on, baby. Don't say maybe. I got an A minor to the C chord and E minor again. We may C chord and we may G. Though we may C chord back to the G, and then A minor and the C chord and to the G. Now in the play along that is going to be coming up next, I have purposefully excluded the interlude, which is when we have the guitar solo part. And the reason for that is because this guitar tutorial is mostly focused on strumming and singing. So this tutorial is for you if you just want to jam along and sing the song with your guitar. So we're not really going to be learning how to play that guitar solo. That's not what my channel is focused on. My channel is all about chords, strumming, and singing. So we're going to skip over that interlude solo section and just go straight into another verse, and then we'll end off the song with a final chorus. So if you are ready to put your chords into practice, then join me in the next section where we're going to be doing a playthrough of Take It Easy together. Get ready on your G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it easy. full of trouble on my mind. Looking for the lover who won't blow my cover. She's so hard to find. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Come on, baby, don't say maybe. I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me. So there we go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and jamming some Eagles. I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join the Stellar Guitarist community. If you enjoyed this lesson, then I'm sure you'd want to check out the other Eagles lesson that is being suggested to you on the screen. Until my next tutorial, I'll see you there. Have a wonderful day. Bye.